So why not just use a regular body shop? What do you need us for?
Because some damn fool accused you of being the best.
Garrett! You son of a... Hey everyone, it's Thursday, February 24th. More importantly, Garrett Moberly, that has worked with us for a long time. It's actually his last day here as he has taken a job in Nashville, Tennessee. Now, Garrett and I have a very unique relationship, and you know, the amazing thing about these videos that we do, whether it's on YouTube or Instagram or whatever, is I can pretty much say whatever I want, and what I would actually want to say is thank you, Garrett, for the last 2 years, everything that you've put in. You've been a real friend, you've been a voice of reason, and you know, in this job, I'm generally the guy in front of the camera. You know, I have a large hand in designing the vehicles, but the real truth of it is this place wouldn't function without surrounding myself with people far, far more talented than me, whether it's my brother, whether it's my father, my uncle, the other two guys in the shop, Hunter and Zach, or Garrett. That's kind of the way this thing works. And Garrett has been a shining example of that. And so if anyone needs any work done in Nashville, Tennessee, or elsewhere, pinstriping, welding, you know, custom design stuff, graphic design, rapping, let Garrett know. He's a super guy, super nice guy. He's the intro. Sometimes it's amazing to me that he's a real person because he's absolutely ridiculous. But Garrett, I really appreciate you. I can't thank you enough for all the fun times that we've had, all the good laughs, the patience you've had, the ridiculous zany things I feel like I've put you through. So here's a compilation of some memories and some good laughs of Garrett and me, and really all of us in the last couple of years, but mainly Garrett and me just kind of messing with them a little bit. So I hope everyone enjoys this clip, and thanks, Garrett.
Oh my God, it's Garrett Moberly, author of the book, So You've Mastered the Female Orgasm, Now What? What are you doing here?
Well,
Ladies, the eyes.
I was not prepared.
That's because it's like
7 a.m. 7 a.m. in the morning.
this is what you could wake up to at 7 a.m., ladies. Scarlett Johansson, if you're watching, this is your guy.
I'm not a morning person, so it's not a win-win.
But he is an all-night person, you know what I mean? Like Lionel Richie, baby. All night long. Oh, look who it is! Oh no, he's thrashing me! Ugh. No.
I don't know about this, what did you say? What? What? I was saying that this went after midnight. Midnight? Yeah. What is the bird called midnight? No, I don't want to hold your hand and take a stroll at midnight. That's all I'm saying. It was brother. Do you not understand the words that are coming out of my mouth? Mother.
What did you say?
I was saying hi.
Oh my God. Garrett Moberly in the house. Now, it was this guy's birthday just a few days ago. Now, in the last year, I see you've pumped up quite a bit. What are you, about 205, 206, 207 now?
203.
203. Oof. Man, and the other day, so he takes this shirt off every single day.
I busted a button.
Busted a button, and I didn't know it. His abs, 6 panty dropping balls of stone, ladies and gentlemen. So
Or still.
Yeah, or steel. So what are your workouts like these days, man? What you doing? How's the diet? How's everything going?
Well, we're getting to that time of the year where we're about to start cutting some carbs down and increasing the protein. Right now I'm about 600 grams a day. You know, you gotta eat big to get big. You know.
25th birthday the other day. This guy's a young man. Look at those hypnotic eyes. Ladies, he's single. And if you're not, he'd make a great side piece, I'm telling you.
You chose not to turn it up full heat. You chose to. You didn't forget.
We carpooled to work today, and we told Garrett, hey man, Garrett's like, oh dude, I'll turn the heat on in the truck. And look at this. I don't know if you can see that, but I can see my breath.
It's too cold.
Oh no, I'm trying to zoom in on it. There it is.
It's, we may as well just be outside right now.
Get outside.
We may as well. We may as well roll the windows down to warm it up.
Hi, this is Aaron Duncan, and this is 2 Minute Tuesday, how to safely take a bed apart. Now you want to make sure that if something falls, that you're there to support him.
Whoa, man, what are you doing? Trying to teabag me?
Trying to help. It's 2 Minute
It's 2 Minute Tuesday.
It's 2 Minute Tuesday. I got to lay on you like that for 2 minutes.
You're gonna be
2 Minute Tuesday or Teabag Tuesday? I thought it was 2 Minute Tuesday.
Oh,
This is a safety precaution. Now sometimes you want to make sure you protect him from someone coming at you. So that's when you stay like this. You can do it.
What are you doing? Is this necessary?
Trying to get them eyes.
I'm gonna stab you with a blunt object.
Where home is.
Probably this non-sharp pencil.
What happened to your WWE stock, man? Thanks, Trev. Hey guys, Aaron Duncan here with Duncan Brothers Customs and happy National Have Fun at Work Day. You know, I didn't even know this was a thing until I heard it on the radio this morning. So I wanted to give everyone 5 tips for having fun at work. Number 5, everyone has a smartphone now. In fact, that's what Joey's recording me on right now. The best way you can have fun at work on a smartphone isn't scrolling through Facebook and stuff. There's a lot of great porn out there. So check that out. Rule number 4, or I should say tip number 4. You know, a lot of people look down on drugs and alcohol in the workplace, and that's ridiculous. If you want to have fun at work, you should invest in things like crack or marijuana, or in our case, we have lots of paint and huffing supplies that you can take part of. Number 3.
this is amazing.
This is
It's amazing, by the way.
Number 3, it's always good to start rumors about somebody at work. That's a great way to have fun, a great way to pass the time, and a great way of scuttlebutt. So, for example, saying like, hey, Joey, I heard Garrett molested a bunch of monkeys, you know, as a...
What the F, man?
What's up, bro? Anyway, forget him. Rule number 3, it's great to start rumors about someone at work. For example, like saying, hey, did you hear Garrett loves Nickelback and 5 Finger Death Punch?
Man.
Rule number 1, don't listen to any of these. This whole thing's a joke. Everyone have fun at work today. Duncan Brothers Custom Tools. The end. We're still going to come with Trevor's car, and it's going to be so friggin' awesome. And while we're at that show, that doesn't mean the work stops. We have such a fantastic team. You know, we have Garrett, who basically eats fig Newtons and bread and peanut butter all day.
Hey, Garrett.
Yo.
Aaron said all you do is sit around the shop eating fig Newtons and bread and peanut butter all day.
Fig Newtons?
Yeah.
I don't think I've ever had a fig Newton in my life. I don't even know what one tastes like.
You can't even see me.
I already gave it back to you.
Did you? No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
I promise you did.
It's back there on the tailgate. I gave it back.
That's not giving it back. Whispering something. I'm in the middle of
That's giving it back.
that. No, I wasn't there.
That's giving
I
it
was
back
outside.
without interrupting what you were doing.
He didn't say anything during sex. He told me. When we were having sex. You weren't very good then. Yeah.
So update to that. Now what just happened?
Update. That bastard did have it. What up, everyone? It's Thursday, June. What? Garrett, what day is it?
June 10th.
It's Thursday, June 10th. Tomorrow, Joey and I are going to Eureka's Castle, or Eureka Springs, Arkansas, for an MCA show. The Steelers car will be there. And this is a pre-video to tell you about a bigger video that Joey's releasing today. It'll be on our Instagram, it'll be probably on our Facebook, Zanga, MySpace, Twitch, all that other crap. That is very epic. It shows the dBc Boogeyman build. Garrett gets naked.
That's not true.
Well, you'll just have to see. So tune in to see if Garrett's hung like a bull or not. So.
Oh, you couldn't give that away for free. That's on my OnlyFans.
Yeah, he does. He does have an OnlyFans. OnlyFans/Gare.
You hear that, ladies? OnlyFans/Gare.
It's
Check
actually
them out
Garrett
now.
Bear. Garbear.
Yeah.
But there's an underscore in between.
OnlyFans/Gare. So anyway, great video coming out later. It's just going to be too sweet. That's what I think. It's pulling. Oh. As you guys know, every shop has a lot of drama. You can see I'm the only one doing this right now. And probably the biggest problem we got in the shop is Garrett. He's become a real problem, real nuisance ever since he started. It just, day by day, now that he's here a year, he feels like he's some sort of all-star athlete, like the Babe Ruth of the shop or something. But 2 assistants every 2 hours. He has to get a massage, has to make sure that he eats at a certain time when he eats. Of course, we know Fig Newtons every 4 or 3 hours, nuts, almonds, things and that. Hey, what's up, bro? What are you doing, man?
Do you really need that stand?
Huh?
Do you need that stand? Just want to make sure you really needed it.
I do really need it, but
I mean,
since we have one stand,
and so we only have one, and you deserve it over everyone else, is what you're saying. That's kind of selfish, Garrett.
I'm sorry. That's just the way it is. I need the stand.
Jeez, man.
Like I said, it's
Problematic.
Guys, unloyal. Every couple seconds, he'll be like, "Oh man, I got a call coming in. I got to be on the Tyra Banks show," and we'll take that call. Like I said, 2 assistants, Leon and Damone. They come, they rub him down every couple hours, make sure he's all right.
They feed him grapes and Fig Newtons.
Yeah.
Leon's the best. The way he sets those grapes right on now, they make me feel like I'm seeing or somebody.
The other day, we were driving by. I had to take him to his massage therapist because he doesn't drive before he gets massages. And we see a house on fire, and I'm like, "Oh man, we better stop." And he's like, "I'm gonna be late." 3 people died, but he felt better.
What do you have to say for yourself, Garrett? That's
About what?
about what happened the other day.
See, it's so minimalistic to him.
He doesn't. He's already forgotten about it.
What are you talking about, Aaron?
That day that you had me drive you to your massage therapist appointment.
Yeah, you can't drive after you get a massage. You're all like relaxed
And we drove by.
bad juju's flowing
We
out
seen
of your
that.
body.
We seen that house on fire. People screaming on the inside. I said, "Oh man, we better stop." And you were like, "We better not."
Better not. Better not. It's a can
Wow.
of worms you didn't want to open.
Wow. The entitlement with this one.
My cheesesteak, damn it! I just got a massage. Last thing I want to do is run in a burning house and save a kitten.
Mm-hmm. Doesn't love kittens
Hates
also.
cats.
Also doesn't love kittens and hopes they stay in a fire. The list just keeps stacking up.
I just want to stand.
You are standing.
We're swinging in a swing. We're swinging in a swing.
Just a couple swingers.
Swing, baby, swing. Swing, swing, swing.
The video looks funny.
It's because we're swinging.
We're swinging, boys.
Swinging.
I think this would qualify as dilly-dallying.